Hello, my name is Harold. This is TechonTech, and today I am going to show you how to install 7-zip. This is not a particularly hard installation to do, so we're just going to get right into it. Let's go ahead and do a quick search. We're going to search for 7-zip download. Click on the download link here. The first one, I will include a link in the description. The link that you want to use if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 is the 64-bit Windows installer. Nobody should be using the 30-bit or 32-bit version of Windows anymore. So go ahead and click the download for the 64-bit version of that installer. All right. Now, it will download it to your user directory downloads folder. Just pull that up, double-click it, and then click yes to load. Then from there, just go ahead and click install. At this point, once that bar finishes loading, it's installed and it's loaded to the UI. An example here, I have a zip file. If I right click on it and then click show more options, you will see that 7-zip has been added to this. All you have to do then is click extract, and it will extract the folder, which it has done here. And there you have it. I should note that Windows 10 and Windows 11 already have default zipping utilities, although personally I prefer the functionality and stuff from 7-zip. I will additionally now tell you how to change your default apps so you can switch from the Windows utility over to the 7-zip utility. We're going to search for default apps. We're going to search for .zip. It is currently being handled by Windows Explorer. We want to change that to 7-zip, so I'm going to left click on it. You may not have this already added in your manager, so click choose an app on your PC, double click on 7-zip, and then click 7ZFM and then click open. It will add this to this list. Then click set default. Once you've done that, it will change the default to 7-zip instead of the Windows default zipping and unzipping utility. And that's pretty much it. You should be able to extract files now. You should also additionally, hold on 1 second, you should additionally be able to add to an archive, which, by the way, I really love this interface and I really love the stuff you can do with this. It's fantastic. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will include a link to download in the description. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.